Here in example number 3, we were asked how many pounds are in 60 kilograms. So our conversion factor between pounds and kilograms, there's 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. Okay, so we're going to start with our desired answer unit on the left, and it was asking how many pounds. Okay, so we're going to start with the abbreviation LB, and our first fraction needs to be the conversion factor. We have to figure out which one of those we're going to put on top. Go with whatever your desired answer is. Okay, we were looking for pounds, so that means that we need to put our 2.2 pounds on top of the 1 kilogram. Okay, so that puts kilograms at the bottom, and I know that my next unit needs to cancel with that, so I need kilograms at the top, right? If we have kilograms at the bottom, I need kilograms at the top. And if we go back to our lineup here, we said this is our desired answer unit, this is our conversion factor, and then typically our next one is whatever was given to us, which does have the 60 kilograms, the kilogram part that we need. So we're going to stack that 60 kilograms over a 1. And again, our units with the kilograms get to cancel. Always check that, okay? It's going to help save you some time in the long run, just to make sure that your problem is set up correctly before you start trying to do all the math involved. Okay, so our kilograms cancel, and we're ready to do our math. We can do top times top, bottom times bottom. Well, the bottoms are 1. To multiply by 1, it's still going to be 1. By the time we come over here and divide by 1, it's not going to change anything. So really we just need to do top times top, and we get 132 pounds. Be careful when you're writing this or typing it that you put a space between your 2 and your L. Okay, otherwise that L starts looking like a 1. So be sure that it's exactly 132 space, then your LB abbreviation.